I'm going to be showing you how to block ads on Safari in your iPhone. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So in order to block ads in Safari in your iPhone, you can either use Safari's built-in block pop-ups feature, or you can install a content blocker extension. So we're just going to use the block pop-up option first. Just go ahead and open your settings. So once you're in your settings, right at the top you can find search. Type in Safari, tap on Safari, and scroll down till you find block pop-ups. Make sure that this button is enabled. So this is one way of blocking ads. The other option is to just look at the lower option that says extensions. Just go ahead and tap here and now tap on more extensions. And now it leads you to App Store. Scroll down till you find content blockers. So these are some of the ad blockers you can use to block ads in your Safari. So all you need to do is tap on Get and install them, and it should automatically start working in your Safari app. So there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.